بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا ونبينا محمد وآله الطيبين الطاهرين اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. Before we start the video, I'll allow you to appreciate the Parkroad Mosque. I know it has many memories for many of us who used to live here, especially the elder generation, those who used to come to madrasa here. So I'll just give you a moment to see it. You've not seen it for a long time, you moved out of the country. So basically this video is about the plan, inshallah, for Parkroad. There's a little bit of renovation and work to be done. So we'll just take a walk through. I'll try and explain, and also I'll give you a small report on the good things that have happened at the complex. So alhamdulillah, we managed to put some carpet here. It's plastic, so that when it rains, the people can walk without any problem. We got a light on that side. You can't see it right now. Basically, on this side at the top, when it rains, when you walk this way, it's a bit difficult. So we want to put a shade here at the top, so that when people walk in, they don't get wet when they're coming for prayers. Obviously, as you can see, the mosque needs to be repainted. From my recollection, it was painted about 4 or 5 years ago, and it now needs a fresh coat of paint. Otherwise, it is in good shape. Looking at the interior, the roof, as you can see, needs some work. There is leakages at the top. These boards are now very old, so they need to be replaced either with gypsum or something which is more appealing to the eye. Obviously, the mosque is the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and must be kept well. So the plan is to renovate whatever is needed to be renovated. And just by the way, you can see the markings which we did for the COVID to maintain the protocols given by the government. We'll now be going to the back side, where I'll just show you a small generator that we got a donation for, and then we'll go to the Imam Barak, which is doesn't need any work, but just as a small report of the good things that Mu'mineen, generous people, have come forward without even having been asked and contributed to the complex. So we've come to the Imam Barak side. As you can see, it's quite okay on the outside. Okay. On the inside as well, there is no paint work needed in the Imam Barak. We got Wi-Fi connection and a screen for live streaming from Lavington, because it's now difficult for people of Parkroad to come all the way there. As you can see, these lights on the corner, these are all donated by a donor who came forward himself. So we're very thankful to all our donors. Inshallah, I'll also be making a video soon about the donations that have been given to Nairobi Jamaat in our tenure, and some very valuable and visionary things that were done at Lavington and Parkroad, which we will be appreciating our donors, because it is in Islam. If you do not appreciate the creation, you have not appreciated the creator. So just a small report, and inshallah the appeal is, again, will be going out soon for all the works that have to be done in Parkroad, especially in the mosque side. In Imam Barak, there's not much, as I said. Thank you. Master.